Hey, Stella, Rilla. Hey, will I change the game? Or the game changed me? I guess I never really know until I play. Hey. Daybreak, no break, steady chasing that money every day. Trying to get a little something, but still seem like shit never change. Ayy, but I gotta keep on the hustle, keep on pushing till I'm on that iron throne and ruling. Will I be a good king, wise king, or cruel king? It don't matter long as I'm king. The question is, will the money change? It's obvious, I won't stay the same. Been struggling too long in this game, trying to cop a brick to make up the pay. There's hood bitches always seem to slay. If you wanna get it, gotta give it away. Everything has a price, just have to pay. So I pray, I never change. Switch up lanes, turn the fan because of the fame. Change the gang cause I'm rocking chains. It's a vow, promise never to break. Let death come, take me away before I change and dishonor my ways. And how I was raised as a strict code goes way deeper than the street code. Call it Jeep mode, nigga flip mode, then I reload. Double up on the cash, even if I want a lottery. Still nigga never change, I remain neutral. So fuck what they tell me. To be honest, I never let money get the better of me in any way, influence what I plan to be. Nah, I'ma keep it cheap. Will I change or will I stay the same? If the money came, I pray I keep my soul if ever I came to cross the devil face to face. Cause money the root of evil. You love it will mislead you, disfigure you just to leave you. Will I change or will I stay the same? If the money came, I pray I keep my soul if ever I came across the devil face to face. Cause money the root of evil. You love it will mislead you, disfigure you just to leave you. Second take different pace, but really nigga gotta elevate. Been working my ass for too long between recording songs and working at the test shops. Like the more money you make, the more you gotta pay. Can't even think to say fuck this shit, gotta change. Money isn't to blame, but the root of all blame. Just another sad shame, damn. Another nigga done changed up, raised up the bar. Ever since he got paid up, he done laid up. That's what these thirsty niggas gon' say. As soon as you get on your grind and make a little change, they ask for shit that you can't do. Just make up an excuse to hate you. And I ain't even tryna lie, I'ma stay true and not lose. Learn my lesson and pay my dues. So I be goddamned if I switch up too. That goes for all of my homies, cause I'm riding with the crew. Steady pushing moves, tryna double up the loot. Monday to Monday, doing what we gotta do. Fuck, I look like fool. Yeah, I'm tryna get this money too. Buy my mama a bigger house before June. Make sure the family and stuff, gotta get it regardless. And remain as I came. Never will allow money to change, but either way won't stay the same. Nigga gotta find a way, no other way to make a way. Ayy, will I change or will I stay the same? If the money came, I pray I keep my soul if ever I came to cross the devil face to face. Cause money the root of evil. You love it will mislead you, disfigure you just to leave you. Will I change or will I stay the same? If the money came, I pray I keep my soul if ever I came across the devil face to face. Cause money the root of evil. You love it will mislead you, disfigure you just to leave you.